In this video, we will learn the statements if else. So how does it work? So quickly I make a program. So in this we want from user to enter their marks, and that marks will get converted into integer and finally will get into the x. Okay. If that marks is greater than 30, then user is passed. So the syntax here for using if statement is if parenthesis then condition, and after that we will give the colon. Okay. And after that we write the condition here. After that we write the statement here with the indentation. Okay, so with some spaces we write the statement here. Print if this is true, then print you are pass. Okay, else if this condition go false, then you should print sorry, you are fail. Okay, so this is the program which I made to make you understand the if else condition. So I save it. So the file is, so I save it with a file name ifl.py. Okay, now I run it. Python space file name py. So suppose I entered 50. So 50 is greater than 30, so it should print your pass. Yes, it has print your pass. Again I'll rerun it. Enter your marks. So this time I'm entering 10. Sorry, you are fail. So this if else statement is working properly. So there is one more thing, elif. So if we have more than 3-4 statements, then we will use elif. I'll show you how. So here I'm changing the condition. If marks is greater than 75, passed with first. Okay, and I'll give one more condition, elif x is less than 50, and so I'm using AND operator here, greater than 75 but x is greater than 50. So in the last video we have discussed operators and booleans. So here we are using it like as I told you in that video, I'll be using if and else, and then there in condition I'll using those booleans. Here I have used the AND also. So AND is for both the conditions should be true, then only this statement will get executed. Okay, so here we have given the condition. So for the first statement I'm writing again x is greater than or equal to 75, then this statement should get printed. And if x is less than 75 but greater than 50, then this statement should get printed. So I'm changing the statement. Okay, and if x is greater than 30 and x is less than 50, so here I mentioned greater than or equal to 50, and in this statement I'll keep x is less than 50. So greater than or equal to 30, then I forget to use colon, so don't forget to use colon. Okay. Else, if none of the condition is satisfying, then you should print sorry you failed. So I'm saving this and I'll run this. So enter the marks. So first I would like to enter 80. So I'm falling in the first condition. So it is showing passed with first. Okay. So I rerun this program. Enter your marks. So this time I want to enter between these like 60 marks. Passed with second. It's true. Third. So this time I'm entering 45, 46. So which is in this. Yes, passed with third. True. So this time I will enter say 5 marks. So it should show you this statement. Sorry, failed. So this is working properly. So that's how we use if else or if elif else. So we can do these kind of stacking as per the requirement. So that's how it works. So in this only you need to bother about the syntax and the condition, how you apply those. Okay, so that's it for this. Thanks for watching. I'll put some helping manual in the description so you can check it out and work by yourself accordingly. Peace.